All right, so welcome to Orange Diagram. Now, the first thing we need for a diagram is obviously this guy. Let's call it an actor. And oh yeah, we're definitely going to make it orange. And we're going to make this arrow. And he's going to go here. Orange box, orange arrow. And then, let's see, basic. There's a lot to add. So we're going to add this circle, make it orange. In fact, let's make is there a way to actually control Z? Yeah, I'm gonna have to just forget about the text, even though it isn't technically orange. It's still fine though. Next up we need, since we can't just have a regular arrow, we obviously have to have this arrow pointing to this, I don't know, roundabout. And we're gonna make it a little bigger. This is gonna be an orange arrow. And what else are we gonna add to it? Let's actually have the actor say something. So we have, and it's gonna be orange, and then we're gonna actually add text, just so that way we know orange diagram. In fact, let's rename this to orange diagram. There we go. And so next up we have we obviously need a thunderbolt, like a charge, and let's see, sketch. Actually, I don't think we need either. Style. Uh, yeah, we're not gonna bother with the style. Let's see, arrows. Oh yeah. Um, we're just gonna connect it to another shape. Let's make it this one. And so let's add a orange thing. And let's just call it this. And let's just call this that. And so we obviously need a for for a we're gonna need a weird curve to go back to itself, and it's gonna be orange, and so is this line's gonna be orange. And in fact, what we need up next is a dotted line, and that's gonna take us to a circle. And so, obviously, we need a list. So, an orange list. And each item, oranges, orange pens, and what else is orange? What else can be orange? How about orange sauce? And then orange list. There we go. Now we know exactly what it is. And obviously, we need a double arrow for this one. It's going to be pointing from there to here. Can't. And let's actually, we need to make a cloud. This is just going to be floating in the middle of nowhere. And let's just do dot, dot, dot. And then we need to make like a cube, and let's let's increase this, and let's create an ellipse right here. I want to make it like, and then we can obviously just add this box. That way, it kind of looks like an iPhone, don't you think? And we obviously have to make it entirely orange. So orange phone, and then it's going to go directly towards the charger. Um, but the thing is, how exactly are we going to connect it that? We need an arrow. Yeah, arrows. I was thinking, yeah, let's just use this arrow right here. And let's put it right here. Yeah, let's put it right there. Orange lines. So that way we've got a phone thing. And obviously, up next we need another arrow. It's going to go right. Let's actually rotate it. And let's actually make, let's make this. Actually, yeah. There we go. So we got an orange arrow. And this goes to a button. And it's going to be orange. It's going to go push. And this button is going to it's going to have a jumped in arrow, and it's going to go let's is there a way to flip it around almost? Not really. That's just sad. Let's cut that. Instead, let's go ahead and create this double arrow. It should go like over here. And we've got this, and we got that. There we go. So now we push this button. Let's just call this the thing with the slash thing. So it's like a command. And we next need something else. I think, yeah, let's do parallel mode. So that way, and then those are technically yellow, but we're going to make this like a multi-document right here. And then cut. Yeah, it's going to look like that. And it's actually, let's make this look like a car. Why not? So it's kind of like a multi-document car. And we just need to make this. Let's move it up. Boom. There we go. So orange car. Now, now we need, what else are we gonna need? We're gonna need an arrow that, what we're gonna need is a triangle. And I think, where exactly do we put this? Let's, you know what, let's create, let's create a symbol. I'm thinking, yeah, let's create this, make a smile in here. Oh, we can't put anything in here, but you know what, whatever. Let's make triangle smile and let's actually frame it so it's like a picture. And then what we need to do is how do we get, let's make this arrow actually cut, and let's make sure that this is correct by having a check mark, and then we have a diagram, this loud sound, and that creates, or can we put a message? Yeah, we can put a message right there, and that leads to the picture. Yeah. Cut. And then this line, we need, let's make this bigger so that way we can literally, that way we can absolutely know. And let's actually increase the length of that as well. So there we go. We got, now we need to connect it to something else. How about, yeah, what's in here? Oh, well, that's gonna come at the end, but yeah, let's make a callback. Let's actually put that in the phone. Actually, cut, cut. So let's make, so let's move this, and let's move this all the way over here. Actually, I don't think the box needs to go that far. How about, yeah, this right here. And then callback, return. It's going to return to, let's just call it a class name. Why not? And then it's just going to be, it's just going to be a field of classes, which is, which, you know, if you press this button, it leads, um, like, yeah, let's actually change the arrow, and so that way if you press this button as well, you go to this class type, and then here you also go to the button as well, the orange button, of course. And then, what next? Now, if you go to the orange sauce, what happens is you'll hit the X, which is what you don't want. So no orange sauce. And so we need, um, what is this? How about, what do we need? Oh yeah, let's just make this and then let's just go right to here. Just give it some attributes, and the attributes can then lead all the way over to somewhere else. Yeah, transfer. So this will transfer. Actually, now that's not going to work. This will transfer to a cube, or whatever you call it. Yeah, let's make a big cube. Let's actually make it a little smaller. There we go. And then this field type can go all the way and create a pyramid. But more importantly, so what we need to do is orange pens. Where does that go? I think that should just go right to the phone. And so, what else do we need? Oh yeah, we need to put a sign up. Um, we needed to put a sign right here, and let's actually create. Let's create a bend arrow. Actually, double bend arrow. How about it? And that leads to there we go. And so, what next? We have oh yeah, we got a shaded shape already. Actually, I don't think that's going to be necessary. Basic, advanced. What's in here? Oh, we got an entire flowchart. Perfect. And let's actually let's actually just add a bunch of these, because then we can have like our own complicated concepts. And then this can come right from the cube. So let's actually make sure all of these are orange. In fact, what am I doing? I can just select all of these. So this comes directly from the cube with a 6 line, and then this also connects here, and then this connects here. So we kind of have like 3 connecting graphs as well. And obviously, we need to have another flowchart with a MIP map. Yeah, there we go. And this right here, and then this connects to that, and all of this is going to orange. We got this is orange, and so we obviously need a cloud to connect here, followed by a subtopic, which let's actually connect here. And we also need to dispatch this right here. Actually, Control C. Dispatch. And the dispatch is going to go all the way over to this. And then this is going to go all the way down here. And what else is there? There's got to be something else that we're missing on. Oh yeah, module. Connect it like a charger. In fact, let's connect this as if it were a charger. Oh, that's not supposed to be there. And then we obviously need a package. It's there. And we got ourselves an arrow that leads to that package. Huh. And then we have an arrow right here. Oh yeah, refined process. This also looks like an eraser. So let's actually connect this to the eraser. And then we need an off-page reference right here, followed by miscellaneous. Oh yeah. We're definitely gonna keep adding some stuff. So actually, this can't be rectangle sketch. Yeah, of course, like a rectangle sketch. And then it's going to connect through here, as well as this module is going to lead to a double circle that contains an icon, such as a gear. And luckily, this is orange already. So we don't need to worry about that. And so oh yeah, we also need to have some parentheses, because parentheses is good for operations. And within the parentheses is this entire flow chart. And containing that is going to be a user in one of them, followed by a data store in another. And then we have a star in this one. Make it a little smaller. There we go. And we have, let's make it a triple arrow so that way we know that's the center. followed by a wave in this flowchart. And then we have a banner in this flowchart, as well as a, let's see, yeah, interface in this flowchart as well. And then what else is there? There's something else that we're probably forgetting. Oh yeah, the sun. We can't forget the sun. And then a polygon, because we've not added that. And then what else are we missing? Oh yeah, this package is gonna go right over to is gonna go right over to a diamond sketch. And that's gonna go over to a double ellipse. Which also is going to lead up to this. And then we have like a switch right here. And that switch leads to the very end, which is this. And we call it the end. And we obviously got to make that. We obviously got to make that as big as possible. And yeah, apply. There we go. There we go. Orange arrow. So yeah, obviously we couldn't apply everything because there's so much, but this is an orange diagram starting from this actor who says orange diagram leading to all this. So yeah, there we go. And that's it. Goodbye.